In this video, I'll show you how to remove the pin on Windows 11. There are a few steps you need to follow. First, open Windows Settings. You can do this by clicking on the Start menu and selecting Settings. Once the Settings window is open, go to the Accounts section on the left-hand side. In this menu, scroll down and look for Sign-in options. Click on it to access the different ways you can sign into your Windows PC. Inside the Sign-in Options menu, look for Windows Hello PIN. Click on it and you will see options to change or remove the PIN. However, you might notice that the Remove button is grayed out, preventing you from selecting it. There are two reasons why the Remove button may be unavailable. The first reason is that you are using a Microsoft account instead of a local account. Windows requires Microsoft accounts to have at least one sign-in method for security purposes. The second reason is a specific setting that enforces Windows Hello Sign-in for Microsoft accounts. To resolve this, scroll up in the Sign-in Options menu and look for the setting that says, "For improved security, only allow Windows Hello Sign-in for Microsoft accounts on this device." Disable this setting by toggling it off. Once you do this, go back to the Windows Hello PIN section. If the option does not immediately update, try refreshing the menu or reopening the settings. Now, the Remove button should be available, and you can proceed with removing your PIN. If you prefer not to disable that setting and want to use a local account instead, go back to the Accounts section in Settings. Scroll down and click on Your Info. Under Account Settings, you will see that you are signed in with a Microsoft account. To switch to a local account, look for the option that says Sign in with a local account instead. Click on this option and a confirmation window will appear. Windows will ask if you are sure you want to switch to a local account. Click Next. You will need to enter your Microsoft account password or PIN for verification. After that, Windows will prompt you to create a new username and password for the local account. If you do not want to set a password, you can leave the password fields empty. Click Next and the account will be converted into a local account. Now that you are using a local account, you can go back to the Sign-in Options menu and remove your PIN without any restrictions. This allows you to sign in without a PIN or password if you choose. That's it for this tutorial. Thank you for watching.